Hey there and welcome to my texting factory review video. So if you've ended up on this video, it's likely that you've searched for a review of the texting factory and you're wondering if this is a legitimate way for you to earn on average $300 per week by becoming a chat operator. So first of all, I want to talk about what this actually entails as a job. You're essentially going to apply to become an operator, and then you're going to be spending time texting and keeping people engaged. Now, these people are typically lonely people, to be honest with you, who are looking to chat about something, and you'll just sit there and try and keep them engaged as long as you can. And the longer you keep them engaged, the more money you are going to make, because these people are paying to chat with somebody, right? Now, the way that you would get this job is you would apply right here and they'll get back to you in 48 hours. Now, they're going to ask you a bunch of different questions to see if you qualify for the job. And if you do, they're going to get on a call with you. Their coach, quote unquote, is just a sales rep, basically. They're going to see if you're willing to do the job and if you're qualified. And if you are, they will have some online training, which will take you a few hours. And then they're going to have you do tasks like replying to 50 messages within 24 hours to make sure that you actually can do the job. Now, I want to bring up a few things. And the first thing is, if you look at their reviews on Trustpilot, they only have 1.9 stars, and almost all of the reviews are saying that it's a scam. Okay, I see a lot of other reviews also saying that they steal your money, they don't pay out your money, and they close your account constantly when you're about to hit out a payment threshold. So as you can see, a lot of these reviews are saying it's a scam. I also wanted to look on another website called Glassdoor, and a lot of the other reviews here also say that it is a bit of a scam, that they'll close your account, that it's a very hostile environment. They have terrible working hours. They say that they'll pay you between $10 and $12 per hour, but you don't know how many hours you're going to be working per week. So if you think you're going to make this $300 per week, you'd have to be working 20 to 30 hours, but there's no guarantee that you're going to get those amount of hours to be able to work, right? Now, I don't know if any of these reviews are real. I haven't joined the company before. I haven't got experience with it, but a few more red flags is if you scroll down here and you look at their testimonials and their reviews, you'll see that these people are just stock footage images, and they only give you a first name, and it's not their first name. In fact, I looked it up, and you can see that there are a bunch of other websites using this woman's image, and they all have different names. So here she's Carol James, and over here she's Maria, and over here she's Sophia, right? So it's just a fake testimonial, basically, right? You have no idea who even owns the website. They don't have any information about who the founders are. And by the reviews that I've seen, this is honestly not a company that I would recommend anybody sign up to become a member of and actually get a job working there. Now, chances are, if you're looking to sign up to Texting Factory, it's probably not because you want to become a chat operator and that's something you're passionate about. It's probably the fact that you want to have a work from home job that you can earn hundreds of dollars per week. The issue with stuff like Texting Factory and other online jobs is that you only get paid for the hours that you put in. Whereas if you start an online business with something like affiliate marketing, you can leverage automation and get paid even when you're not working. Thankfully for me, 8 years ago, I stumbled upon affiliate marketing. I was looking for jobs similar to Texting Factory, just some sort of job that I could get paid $10 to $20 per hour to work from home so I could spend more time with my loved ones. And luckily I stumbled upon that around 8 years ago. And since then I've been able to make millions of dollars with affiliate marketing. And if you want to learn how I'm doing that and get a free guide on how to do it yourself, I will leave a link in the top of the description and in the pinned comment for you to go ahead and take a look at. It's completely free to check it out, and it'll walk you through exactly how myself and hundreds of others are making a full-time income leveraging affiliate marketing. And this will allow you to earn hundreds of dollars per hour because you're leveraging automation and leveraging systems that work for you 24 hours a day. Even when you're sleeping, all you need to do is put in the initial work and then maintain that, and you can get paid again even when you're sleeping or out doing things or spending time with your family or doing anything that you'd like to do. Of course, they require some work, but you're not getting paid just per hour. you're getting paid leveraging an automated system. Again, if you want to check that out for free, I'll leave a link in the top of the description and the pinned comment. And if you have any more questions about Texting Factory or anything about affiliate marketing or that link in the description, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm more than happy to get back to every single one of you. And if you know other people who are looking to join Texting Factory and you want to send them this review video, be sure to do that, and be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one.